So a lot of you guys will reach out to me either through email on wigsupport@jmsimons.com, or you will reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook, or wherever you're at. I'm usually there, and I get these questions, and then I usually send videos, and every once in a while I get lucky enough to kind of get to go along your transformation journey, and I get pictures kind of along the way and those before and afters, and I am always here for a good wig transformation. So I thought it would be fun to just go ahead and share some of those stories with you. This first one reached out to me through Instagram and had this gorgeous bob, and she loved everything about it, but it was just a little too golden blonde. So of course I was like, tone that wig. That's gonna really make a big difference. I don't know, because of the brand that it was, how well it will tone, but I knew that it was gonna make some type of difference, and it was definitely gonna bring it to the cooler side. So she went ahead, got the supplies, and kind of took me along for her transformation journey. I was getting videos after the first round of toning, and I could already tell it was gonna look great, and you could really just kind of see the dimensions starting to pop out, and it was going to that cooler side. And she decided to go ahead and tone it 2 more times, so 3 times in total, which you can absolutely do if you want to a wig. If you tone it 1 time and you feel like you didn't get, the results you want, you can always tone it again. Now it's only gonna tone to a certain point, but sometimes that second tone will kind of really pull out whatever you missed the first time. And she went ahead and did 3 times just for good measure, and her wig looked amazing afterwards. So you can see here, it just looks so much more dimensional, and it's a lot cooler, and she absolutely loved the results. And I was so excited to kind of get to experience the beginning, the middle, and the end with her, because I don't always get to see your guys's end results, and I absolutely love that. That's my favorite thing. Make sure if you guys are doing these transformations, you're following a video, or even if you have a question before you do something, reach out to me. I love to help and be there just to kind of see what happens. I love a good transformation. So I thank you guys so much for taking me along those journeys, for those of you that have, and I'm super excited to go along those wig transformations that are yet to come.